The online registration for the US visa lottery will be coming to an end very soon. It will end on the 7th of November 2024. Please hurry to register. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps to register for the online registration. Okay? If you're just seeing this video, my name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. I make travel related videos, visa application practices, and visa procedures from time to time. Today, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to register for the DV lottery. That is the US Diversity Visa Lottery. Okay, please watch the video. You visit dvprogram.state.gov. That is the website to apply for the diversity visa. Then you fill in your biodata information, your address, your email, all your personal information. If you're married, you fill that information there. If you are not, you put single or whatever the case is. Okay. Then the first step is to submit an entry. So you submit your entry through the website. When you are done, then the second step is the selection of applicants. If your application is selected, normally after you complete the application, you get a confirmation number. Then after the close of the entry program, you can check then there's a place there where you see entry check. You put in your confirmation number and your date of birth to check if your entry is selected. If your entry is selected, then you go through to the next phase. The next phase is to confirm your qualifications. The two prerequisites to apply for the DV lottery is either you have equivalent of high school certificate. If you have probably a university degree, is the plus for you. But the minimum requirement is high school. It's either as high school or 2 years of vocational training or 2 years working experience. Okay. After you confirm your qualifications, the next thing is to submit your immigrant visa and alien registration. The next thing is to submit your immigrant visa and alien registration application. That is, you have to fill a DS-260 online application form. That is the form for immigrant visa. I repeat, you submit your immigrant visa registration application. It is called DS-260. On this form, you fill your biodata information, your address, your email, you upload your photo. Um, as at the time you played the visa lottery, if you are single, everything remains the same. But if you're married and if you have kids under the age of 18, you can include their names because automatically they're going to qualify as well. Then the next step is to prepare your supporting documents to support your case. Prepare your supporting documents, the paperwork to confirm that you really attended high school. You put it together. If you have work experience, you can contact your employers to get this paperwork to present it during the course of the interview. Okay, then note that you also have to go through a medical check. They have designated hospitals where you have to go through your medical check. They check your blood, your entire system to ensure that you are okay. Okay. Then the next step is the interview proper. You have to prepare for the interview. You can check the instructions on what will be required from you before you go for the interview. Prepare for the interview very well. Check the details you filled during the application. Ensure that everything checks out before you go for the interview. Okay. After going for the interview, if your visa is approved, they'll give you instructions on how to pick up your visa. That is the information I have for you this morning. If you like the video, please like the video, share with your friends, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Bye.